Bonjour classe! Today's video is about saying what you like and dislike and explaining why. By the time you're done, you should be able to make sentences like this. J'aime le français parce que c'est amusant. I like French because it's fun. Nos objectifs. Numéro 1. Learn how to say what you like and dislike. J'aime Netflix, je déteste Chipotle. These should look familiar if you've done them memorized. If not, pause this video and do it right now. Numéro 2. Explain your opinion with pourquoi and parce que to make longer sentences. J'aime Netflix. I like Netflix. Pourquoi? Why? J'aime Netflix parce que c'est amusant. I like Netflix because it's fun. We're going to start off with some like and dislike listening practice. You need to write your play pause it answer in English. I will say it twice in French. And please use the word bank on the right. J'adore means I love. J'aime means I like. Je n'aime pas means I don't like. Je déteste means I hate. Let's start with number 1. J'aime Starbucks. J'aime Starbucks. If you did that one right, it means I like Starbucks. Numéro 2. Je déteste Minecraft. Je déteste Minecraft. If you did that one right, it means I hate Minecraft. Numéro 3. J'adore la pizza. J'adore la pizza. If you did this one right, it means I love pizza. Numéro 4. Je n'aime pas le sushi. Je n'aime pas le sushi. If you did this one right, it means I don't like sushi. And number 5's just a little tricky. J'aime trop le français. J'aime trop le français. If you did this one right, it means I super like French. I extremely like French. But let's explain ourselves. Those sentences were simple. You know how to say j'aime le français for I like French. What if someone asks you why? Pourquoi? Here's the table straight off your vocab list. On the left, you'll see the 4 ways to do sentence starters. J'aime, j'adore, je n'aime pas, je déteste. After that, you can see the subject name where you plug in the thing that you like or dislike. Then there's this little chunk that means because it is, parce que c'est. And then we've got our descriptions. Facile means easy, difficile means hard, nul means useless or dull, génial means super or awesome, ennuyeux is boring, and amusant is fun. So for example, j'aime le français parce que c'est facile. I like French because it is easy. Here's an example sentence broken down. J'adore le déjeuner parce que c'est amusant. You can see that front part means I love lunch. Parce que c'est means because it is. And amusant is like fun or amusing. So that's how you say, I love lunch because it's fun. Okay, it's time for some examples. Traduisez en anglais. Translate to English. I've got 4 sentences that I made using the table from your vocab sheet up top. I'm going to read them, and I'm going to give you time to translate them into English on your play pause it. Number 1 says, J'aime l'anglais parce que c'est facile. J'aime l'anglais parce que c'est facile. If you did that right, it means I like English because it's easy. Number 2, Je déteste les sciences parce que c'est difficile. Je déteste les sciences parce que c'est difficile. I hate science because it's hard or because it's difficult. Number 3, Je n'aime pas la technologie parce que c'est ennuyeux. Je n'aime pas la technologie parce que c'est ennuyeux. I don't like tech because it's boring. Finally, number 4, J'adore les maths parce que c'est amusant. J'adore les maths parce que c'est amusant. I love math because it's fun. Okay guys, we're going to do 4 more examples. This time, I will read a sentence in French twice, and I need you to write it in English in play pause it. Numéro 1. J'aime l'art parce que c'est amusant. J'aime l'art parce que c'est amusant. If you got that one right, it said, I like art because it's fun. Numéro 2. Je déteste la musique parce que c'est difficile. Je déteste la musique parce que c'est difficile. If you got this one, it meant I hate music because it's hard or because it's difficult. Numéro 3. Je n'aime pas l'histoire parce que c'est ennuyeux. Je n'aime pas l'histoire parce que c'est ennuyeux. If you got this one, it meant I don't like history because it's boring. Finally, numéro 4. J'adore le PS parce que c'est amusant. J'adore le PS parce que c'est amusant. Guys, this one means I love gym or I love PE because it's fun. Here's an example conversation, guys. Let's say you want to share your opinion and you say, J'adore la musique. Maybe your friend doesn't like it, so he asks you, Pourquoi? Why? Pourquoi? And you explain yourself. Parce que c'est amusant. J'adore la musique. Pourquoi? Parce que c'est amusant. I want you to use your vocab sheet to finish this conversation. What would you write in the last bubble? There are many possible answers. First guy says, J'aime les maths. I like math. But his friend asks him, Pourquoi? What could he answer? There were many possibilities for this one, guys. You could put parce que c'est facile, because it's easy. Parce que c'est amusant, because it's fun. Let's do one more. This time, the guy on the left says, Je déteste le PS. And his friend says, Pourquoi? Guys, how would you answer this? How can he explain why he likes gym? If you answered this one correctly, you could have said something like Parce que c'est amusant, because it's fun. Parce que c'est facile, because it's easy. Maybe you dipped into a previous unit and said Parce que je suis sportif, because I'm athletic. And one very important one, guys. Our man on the left this time says J'aime Télé Français. And his friend says Pourquoi? What a dumb question. Of course he loves Télé Français. But he needs to explain himself. How could he explain why he likes Télé Français? If you did this one right, you might have said Parce que c'est excellent, because it's excellent. Parce que c'est magnifique, because it's magnificent. Parce que c'est fantastique, parce que c'est génial. There's lots of great ways to say because it's this, because it's that. So let's sum it up, guys. Today we practiced our 4 ways to discuss likes and dislikes. J'adore, j'aime, je n'aime pas, je déteste. We learned how to explain if somebody asks you, puts you on the spot, and says, Pourquoi? Why? You'd answer with parce que c'est, because it's something. And that means you can now understand sentences like this. J'aime le français parce que c'est facile. Your last question is going to be to translate that sentence. That's all, guys. Au revoir.